Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by Design by Kathy, and I hope y'all are all doing great. Today I'm going to do a Dutch pour. The colors I'm going to be using, I attempted another pour earlier that just absolutely did not go the way that I wanted it to, and I was very frustrated, but I did fall in love with the colors. So that I'm going to use as a takeaway that was a good thing. So I'm going to do this Dutch pour, going to be a split canvas, and anyway, I hope you'll like it. Don't hesitate to pop any questions down below. Oh, and I'm going to be using this super cool little gadget. It is the world's smallest blower. It's so cute and it's so cool and it works really well. So be sure and check the Amazon link below because I'll have it, it'll be in there. So let's get right to pouring. So I've already put my background base on here, and I'm doing a split canvas. I've got these colors that I just happened to come together, and I love them. Let me see, I've got a little bit more. Make sure I've got it the consistency. You know, to do this pour, a Dutch pour, you want just underwater consistency. Not so much that it's just going to run right off your canvas, because then it would be all for nothing. I'm still thinking that one still needs more. Okay, I think I've got it where I want it. I don't know. Today has been a little challenging. So here we go. Let's give this one a whirl. That is red. It's called red brown. Then this is territorial beige. And then I have some metallic rose gold. We'll fix that. That's going to be the least of my worries today after the way this day's been going. Do you ever have one of those days where everything you touch, it's like, oh my gosh, this worked the other day, it's not working today, or something breaks or something. Okay, so I'm going to mute myself, if you don't already have me muted, and I'm going to put the hairdryer on it. So let's see what happens. Hey, so far so good. Okay, hold on one second. I got this really cool little thing that I'm dying to try, dying to use. This is the world's smallest blower. It's so freaking cute. You do have to use it with your USB, so you just plug. I'm just going to plug it in where I have everything else plugged in. Ooh la la. I like the colors, folks. I hope you guys do. Ooh, they're pretty together. Oh. This thing is so cute, and it's not really loud, it's not really powerful. While I know y'all are going to laugh at me, I don't really have enough hot air to blow on, you know, like you see a lot of the artists doing, and perhaps you're really good at that. They're probably not as old as me. But this, let me get my little edge here, and then I'm going to flip it around for y'all, and then I'm not worried about the edges right now. I will take care of them. I do see a spot there. Hold on. It's always that one spot, isn't it? It's like, dang, why is that there? Go away. But hang on. Let's see if we can put the world's smallest little blower on it and get something going here. Okay, now I will flip it around. Whee! Oh, I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, goodness. You know what? After you have attempts of like, this isn't working, this isn't working, do you know, it just makes your day to, like something finally go the way you want it. And you know what? Don't look at it as, you know, if you have to scrape something. I scraped one earlier. Look at that. I got a whole cup to pour on something. That's going to be fun. So don't look at it as like a defeat. Look at it as, all right, we're going to do this again and again and again. Reuse the same paint even until you get down what you want to do. Or add to it. Or save it for another day. Okay. I'll fix the edges, and I'll go ahead and tell you all to have a wonderful day. Thank y'all for so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. Hey, don't forget to comment down below and give me some thumbs up. I look forward to your comments. So hey, give me a shout. And I want to hear your frustrations. We talked a little bit about some things that I saw different people having frustrations on, so we can address those, or anything you want to see me attempt to pour. I'll attempt it. You know I will. So all of you have a blessed day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks again for watching.